Good afternoon, welcome to Saltfix. I'm here this arvo with Jack. We've headed out. The easterly is fairly cranking. I don't know, probably 12, 15 knots I guess. It's not ideal. The swell's sort of pretty lumpy, but we've come out to the 3 mile. Pretty much anchored up in 15 metres of water, just sort of on the back edge. Same story as always, a bit of burley in the water. I've got a soft plastic out at the moment. Got an abroless 5-inch bullwhip. Jack's got an assortment of baits.
Squid and muleys.
Squid and muleys. Sometimes 2 rods is a bit ambitious. Oh, hang on. Early bird. The early worm disappoints the bird. Or something like that.
That's first drop. Just
first drop. Hang on, I'll bring this one in. Get it there ready.
yeah, I think it might be. How's that?
That didn't take long.
Yeah,
How long have we been here? We've been here 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
solid.
That's alright, it's a decent start.
Might be right on the money here. It's a weird time though.
Can't see it.
No. Actually,
It's decent.
yeah, I think it is.
Don't let it go around the engine there. Oh, there it is.
What
Is it a
is
sambo? Or a shark? Oh, I don't think that's finished, mate.
Hey, look at my bait is. Oh,
That's a sambo, I don't think it's finished. That's...
is it a sambo? It's not mine yet. Oh, God.
Yeah, I think you're going to...
Oh, why did he come up easy now? Hungry mode. Was it a sambo?
I think so.
That's what I want.
It's decent size too. As always, it's taking your liking, it's not the heavy
Yeah.
one.
Standard fish
Isn't it?
procedure.
Is you ready? Well, that's just your mate.
That's my bait. My bait's not
Oh, there
going
he
over
is.
the line. It's really weird.
Is it a sambo? It's
king.
brown, it looks...
That's my leader right here.
Thought you did him over a bit too easy for a sambo. No, he's not.
No, he's not.
You got to look at the bait, you got angry.
Yeah. Not my sambo. Bring it home.
He was brown, that's why I thought.
I think he might have my toes on. Got the dog. Oh, don't eat me.
Yeah, make sure you hold him nice. The teeth.
3-minute fish.
Yeah, beautiful. 3 minutes in. Do you reckon he's going to harass and eat every one of our baits from now on? Probably. Chuck him in, yeah, chuck him in. He's learned his lesson. Let's hope. Now go away, Mr. Shark. Oh, that was a decent start. 3 minutes. Hopefully it's not the shark hole.
Oh,
Again. This guy's an animal.
I've got a little head shake to it.
As Jack proceeds to outfish me totally.
No, it's not big. It's pretty close. It's bouncing a bit though.
It's bouncing, it could be a little king. I've got to admit, I've been sucking lately. I've been out, I think, 4 times this week, chasing sambos in close. Oh, it's another little shark, is it?
No.
Oh no, it's a little pinky.
Little pinky.
I've been out four times this week, maybe 5. Done nearly 20 hours on the water chasing sambos in close for absolute donuts. So I'm just desperate to catch a fish tonight. I don't really care what it is. I'd be happy with that, to be honest.
Yeah. Nanny.
Yeah. That's fishing. You've got to put in the hours. Touch the bottom. Yeah.
That's on.
Fish on.
Is that on the plastic?
Yeah, on your bowls. Here we go.
There we go. Can't wait to get that.
Tangle up the other one, is it? Yeah, this is going to be a pain in the ass because I'm only on 10 pound here. Oh no, he's gone, just like that. Hook came off. Oh no, that was the Abrolhos. That was the Abrolhos bullwhip. Just lightly weighted. Is it still on there? Yeah, no, the fish is gone. If my plastic's gone, I'm going to be bitter. I feel like the whole lot's gone. Hang on. Oh no. No, whole lot's gone.
Oh wow.
Is that my dodgy knot? Yeah, leader the whole lot.
Oh no.
Oh, dodgy Scotty. What an idiot. To a knot. Was that a knot or a nick in the line? You never know, eh? Oh no. I'm down to my last Abrolhos 5-inch, the bullwhip. I got a 7-inch for left, but the sevens actually float with these little 1/8 heads. The 5s just get this super slow sink rate, which is just awesome, and the snapper love it. I'm gonna have to get some more. This has been my favourite soft plastic by far. 5-inch bullwhip. They glow, and also these ribs are so good. If you want to put scent or something on them, the ribs just hold on to the scent for ages. Got one on? You're killing me today. Let's go. Oh, is this your fish? Come on. Yeah?
Actually, if I can give you a skip there, it's not really big fish. It's another one.
Hope it's not a wobbegong or a stingray.
I feel like it might be.
Because that.
Or is it just a big thing that hasn't woken up yet?
Going around that side.
It's a strange one, eh?
It's starting to get more and more stingray by the minute, isn't it?
I can't remember what plate I was. Oh, that was the half million.
Oh, it's getting bigger and angrier. I don't know, I've had pinkies do that before though, eh? You think,
I'm not convinced.
and they just hug the bottom and you just think, what is this? And Jack have a trip saver. It could be a dewy too, man.
Yeah, you never know, eh?
It's that time of the night.
And that bigger one I got, I'm sure that'll come up pretty easily, but then it's been a bit funny like this. See how it's bend in the rod. I think it is a fish, eh? If it is, it's probably not a good one.
Yeah. Come on. It's a decent fish, whatever it is.
Yeah.
If it's a fish and not a wobbegong or something. It's not doing much though, is it?
No, it's really strange, you know, it's just sort of like nodding. Please, come on. It's really heavy though.
Yeah, it could be a good Jew-banger, eh?
Yeah.
They tend to sort of do not much. Just hug the bottom like that. And yeah, it doesn't want to come up, does it?
Sort of come up, yeah. It's hard when you can't see anything, eh? Oh, there's my thing. Oh, what is it? Joey.
Oh, it's a Jew.
Joey.
Jack with a trip saver. Yeah, the boys. All right. Trip saver.
Solid.
Boom.
Brilliant. On the club.
Oh, there we go.
Good
Jack
old
with a
Jew.
trip saver. Nice Jewy.
Mouth thing.
Yeah. Nice fish, man.
Jeez.
All right, Jack has comprehensively outfished me again today. Once more.
Tasty little snack.
Beautiful. Lovely stuff. Cool as. Yeah, he's getting eaten. Sorry, buddy, but it's not your night.
So, let's go. It's like 70.
73.
Yeah.
Oh well, that's it for us again tonight. Jack has comprehensively owned me once more. I don't know how he does it, but he manages to own me every time. Could be that aniseed sauce. Did that have aniseed on it?
That might have actually, but a special sauce.
Jack's been using the special sauce, the bait mate aniseed liquid.
Got a flavour.
I know. Anyway, he's beat me tonight. At least that's a trip saver. We're eating fish and chips instead of just chips tonight. We're going to clean up and burn in. What I'm going to do is I'll run a bit of footage from the other day. I went out with Zane and we had a bit of a session on Skippy. So I'll run a bit of that footage while we're cleaning up and burning in.
Yep.
There you go. You're in already?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh!
No, I'm still in. I'm still in.
Is he on?
He wants it.
Yeah, you're in. Oh,
A 6 pound line.
oh, get it away from the boat. Don't let the line touch the... Oh, the brim gear's a little bit undercooked for you there, isn't it?
I don't think the 6 pound line's made for things like,
Ew.
if you like this.
That's perfect for that.
Fun.
Oh, it's making you work for it.
Oh, I really wish this had a long butt right now.
He's dusting you. That's it, lift him. Oh, there he is.
Drag him in now.
There he is. Hang on, bring him one more circle, get another wind on him and I'll lift him in. Yep,
Nice.
perfect. Nice little skippy.
Hang
Nice
on, I got a
skippy.
fish behind me,
All
bro.
right, drop him in then. Go. Nice.
You waiting?
Sano's got a soft plastic on. Oh, that's it. You're just going to drop it down.
Yeah.
Right, slowly twitch. Little twitch. One.
Feels like there's no plastic on it.
Yeah, it's on there. Stop it, stop it. It's right there underneath the boat. They're all on it. They're all over it.
Are they?
Yeah. Oh!
Oh. Hang on, I see it. Yeah, I'm on it.
Yeah, you're in. Zane's on 10-pound tackle now, and they still pull up. The heavier tackle you get them on, the harder they pull. Yeah, Zano. How much fun is Skippy?
Yeah. On a little white soft plastic, and they still fight super hard. Instead of 6 pound this time, on 10. I'm gonna die up.
Well, watch out for that other line.
Oh, oh,
Drop. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, he's a better one.
yeah. Oh.
Ew, look at that. Soft plastic right in his gob. All right, pull it out, Zano. Chuck him back in. You. Skippy fest. It's all good. Yeah. Oh well, that's it for us tonight. We had a bit of fun. We caught a few skippy, eh? Yeah, we only came out for a bit of a laugh anyway. The nor'westers just started to swing around and get a little bit, starting to pick up a little bit, and it's just started to tip down rain anyway, so it's probably time to go. The sun's gone down. Go home for dinner, but if you like our stuff, stay tuned.
Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. You.
You!